how would you define delightful customer experience?
A delightful customer experience will include several components. First, we anticipate and understand the customer before they even tell us. We see it because we have the experience, we've done it before. Second, we personalize it. We make the customer feel that at that moment, he or she are the only one that matters to us and we don't see anyone else. Third, it's a customer compliment. I don't need to chase them with the survey. If they said it's awesome, then it's awesome. And if they didn't, we might met their expectations, but we did not exceed them. And I'll give you the fourth one. The fourth one is that you as an individual, as an employee, felt like a super person. You felt like Wonder Woman. If doing that made you feel that way, which is dependent on the 3 steps that I said before, then we delighted.
So the employee feels like a Superman.
Yeah.
This is lovely and refreshing.
Thank you.
Lior, you're one of the oracles of service on the world. So we are so grateful that you took some time off to spend with us. We are watching you. We'll have to read the other books that you've made. It's not enough to read one. And we're going to be happy to learn from you where you could see that we could add value to what has been done before. Because the last thing that we want to do is to make a book that doesn't give value to other people. So I want to really say gratitude and maybe closing words from you about what do you foresee for the future of service and where you want to see it, and where do you feel that people like us could add value to the world?
I would say that especially in a world where everything seems to be digitized and going to the internet domain, do not underestimate the importance, the criticality, and the need of human connections. We're in the business of human connections, and we are privileged to be at the time that they need us the most. And we need to cherish that moment. If you're in customer service, cherish the moment that at the moment of truth, there's a person in need and you probably have the power to help them. You just need to focus on the power you do have, not the power you don't have.
Thank you so much.